In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify navigation tutorial, easy menu setup. We'll walk through setting up and cleaning up your online store's navigation so customers can find what they need quickly. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, use the global search at the top. Click into the search bar, then begin typing so the right settings are highlighted for you. You're looking for the result labeled Navigation Menus for Online Store and New Customer Accounts. When you see it, click it to open your navigation settings. Here, you can create a brand new menu or edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click Create Menu to open a blank menu editor. If you already have a structure and want to refine it, use the Menus link at the top to return to the list of menus, then open your main menu. This is the primary menu that appears on most themes across the top of your storefront. Inside the main menu, click the menu item you want to change. This will be the highlighted one in your list, and remove it if it no longer serves your customers. Use the Remove option to keep your navigation lean and relevant. Next, add something useful. Click Add Menu Item. In the name field, type the label you want customers to see. Keep it clear and concise. Think Shop, About, or Contact. Then click the link field to connect that label to a destination. If you're not sure where it lives, use the built-in search to find the right page, collection, or product. When you're satisfied, confirm by adding the menu item so it appears in your list. Let's add another example that points to a collection. Click Add Menu Item again and type the label you want. For instance, New Arrivals. Click the link field, choose Collections, and then pick the specific collection you want to feature, such as your New Arrivals collection. Confirm to add it to the menu. As you go, keep an eye on clarity. Names should tell customers exactly what they'll get when they click. If you're building a brand new menu, repeat the add step until you've included the essentials. If you're refining an existing menu, remove what's outdated, then add back only what helps shoppers move forward. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. Saving locks in your edits so your storefront reflects the updated navigation immediately. That's it. Your Shopify menu is now clean, intuitive,